GCA Mortgage Group presents 11 important facts about FHA loans you should know. Let's get started. Fact number 1. FHA requires a 580 minimum credit score for a 3.5% down payment on your new home purchase. Compare that to a conventional loan that takes a minimum of a 620 credit score for a 3 or 5% down payment. Fact number 2. Home buyers with a 500 to a 579 credit score can qualify for a FHA loan with 10% down. Fact number 3. Outstanding collections and charge-off accounts do not have to be paid to qualify for a FHA loan. Fact number 4. In lieu of taking 1% of your outstanding student loan balance to be used as your monthly payment debt, contact your student loan provider and get a fully amortized monthly payment over extended term, usually 25 years or more. This calculation will be lower than the standard 1%, causing you to have a lower debt-to-income ratio, or DTI. Fact number 5. You can qualify 1 year into a Chapter 13 bankruptcy repayment plan with trustees' approval, and there's no waiting period after a Chapter 13 bankruptcy discharge date. Fact number 6. Most borrowers do not have to worry about closing costs. HUD allows 6% seller concessions for buyers' closing costs. If seller concessions is short, lenders can cover the difference with the lender's credit. Remember how the old saying goes? If you don't ask, you don't get. Fact number 7. FHA loans have a maximum of 46.9% front-end debt-to-income ratio and a 56.9% back-end debt-income ratio to get an automatic underwriting system approval. Here's a tip. Get a lender without lender overlays. If your debt-to-income ratio is within these ranges and the lender said your debt-to-income ratio is too high and denied your loan, this means your lender has a lender's overlay on top of the minimum FHA lending guidelines. Fact number 8. There is no waiting period after timeshare foreclosures, so don't let that stop you. Fact number 9. FHA loan limit floor is $294,515, and in the high-cost area, the maximum is $679,650. Fact number 10. FHA welcomes gift funds. In fact, 100% gift funds are allowed for down payment and closing costs. You can also request the seller pay your closing costs. This is formally called seller's concessions. However, with an FHA loan, buyers cannot have seller concessions overage. Any money over the actual closing costs will go back to the seller. You can use the overage to buy discount points to buy down the interest rate. Fact number 11. Multiple non-occupant co-borrowers are allowed on an FHA loan. If you would like to read more about the facts that you just heard here, you can go to the GCA Mortgage Group website at gustancho.com/facts-about-FHA-loans. Remember, all FHA lenders are not the same. Because you were denied by one does not mean you'll be denied by all. You want a lender with no overlays to prevent you from applying with multiple lenders. At GCA Mortgage Group, at USA Mortgage, we are a direct lender with no overlays, the home of possibility. I am Kiana Williams. Remember to comment below your questions. They will get answered, and maybe they'll be the topic of our next video.